Joy Ma Bogola Mukhi Devir Joy. Hello viewers, I am Somnath Chatterjee and you are watching your favorite channel Tantra Bigyan. Today first I will beg some sorry for this high loud because there is a festive season in India, West Bengal, and this is called Navratri, and today is the Durga Ashtami, and it's a common thing that we are celebrating our Durga Puja or any kind of this festives by making this type of high loud. So I am sorry about these things, and I believe that by the grace of Ma Bogola Devi you have all had a good day and you have done everything possible to keep others well. Also, I believe you like my video and the information I have given. I give you the remedial measures that you apply in your life properly. So if you like the video, you must like it after watching the video, and if you do not like it, then open your mind. I have no objection to dislike. And I will say again, this is a one-day video. So if you share the video with everyone through your social media, then you can benefit from the video of everyone else like you. And if you have any information or give me any feedback, then definitely in the box you will write your opinion. And many thanks from me and you to all those who have already subscribed to the channel, and if you are new to this channel today, then you must subscribe to the channel and the bell icon next to it. Keep up the good content so that you will not miss any of the videos that I have provided for your benefit, and you will definitely benefited from this channel. However, without further ado, let's start with today's horoscope judgment, its question and remedial measures. Today 25th October 2020. Let's talk about the first sign of the zodiac, Aries. In this day, the time will be very beneficial for the people who are associated with the medical profession, and you may get a good responsibility for a new work in your life today, and some changes of having a business trip are being made during this day. And obviously some hard work will yield a good result for you during this day, and there will be some profit in the business related to import and exports also. Your lucky number for the day is 2, and there is a remedy for you. Today, get up in the morning and drink honey first, then start your daily routine. Then let's talk about the second sign of the zodiac, Taurus. There are a fair chance of more happiness in your married life, love life, etc. And obviously keep a cordial relation with your father. And you will think a job switch in this day, and it will be very good for you. And you may get worried about your self-esteem, and you may suffer a body ache in this day. So be careful about these things, and day will be very hectic at the workplace. Your lucky number for the day is 1, and there is a remedy for you. Today, putting some vermilion in a earthen pot will be very beneficial to improve your career by the financial side. Then let's talk about the Gemini, the third sign of the zodiac. In this day, you may be worried for your family, and you should avoid making the decisions. You will face some hurdles in your jobs, in your business. I mean to say, to improve your career during this day. And obviously do not spend your money unnecessarily, otherwise your budget is out of order by doing these things. And don't try to blame others for your mistakes rather than from them. Your lucky number for the day is 8, and there is a remedy for you. For today, help someone with one eye or a childless person. It will be very good to improve yourself. Then let's talk about the Cancer, the fourth sign of the zodiac. Today, you may get some good news from your family, and your articulation skill will make it easier to complete any important tasks during this day. And there will be a very difficulty in properly assessing the circumstances of your environment, your life, your family, etc. And your routine will be disturbed during this day, so be careful about these things. And some ancestral business will progress during this day. Your lucky number for the day is 3, and there is a remedy for you. For the day, donate some rice kheer to any religious place, but mind it, obviously it should be made by molasses, but don't make it with sugar. Then let's talk about Leo, the 5th sign of the zodiac. There will be some tension in your family, so be careful about these things from the beginning of the day, and you will not give some sufficient time to your family during this day, and you will be under a very good pressure to perform better in your life. And there is a possibility that some new deals can also prove to be harmful in your business, jobs, or in your career also. And you will get a positive results by changing your working style during this day. And your lucky number for the day is 1, and there is a remedy for you. For the day, obviously donate some rice kheer to any religious places, but make sure that this rice kheer should be made by molasses rather than sugar. Then let's talk about the 6th sign of the zodiac, Virgo. Today you will not feel like working today, and there will be some improvement in the situation after noon, and obviously you will have to complete your unfinished tasks during this day, and you may be concerned about your life partner's health also. Today you will be offended by your children's behavior, and some unknown fear will remain in your mind. Your lucky number for the day is 8, and there is a remedy for you. Today, leaving a piece of silver in your house will make you prosperous. Then let's talk about the 7th sign of the zodiac, Libra. Some negative thoughts can spring up in the mind during this day, and the people who are close to you don't seem to meet your expectations, and you will spend your time relaxing at home, and obviously do not be angry with anyone during this day. For now, it will be necessary for you to be patient. Your lucky number for the day is 2, and there is a remedy for you. For the day, your son should not hold any objects of gold. Be careful about these things for the day. Then let's talk about the Scorpio, the 8th sign of the zodiac. You will put your thoughts, family in front of others, and today you might be in some dilemma about your love relationships, and you will make a plan to hang out with your children, and there will be some happiness in your married life, love life, etc. And the people who are associated with writing and publishing works, they might get a new opportunities during this day. And your lucky number for the day is 4, and there is a remedy for you. Today, any romantic relations you have with someone of the opposite sex will have an extremely bad consequence for you. So be very careful about these things, and try to don't do these things. Then let's talk about Sagittarius, the ninth sign of the zodiac. Today, obviously respect the elderly women of your house, and there will be some rudeness in your behavior, and the problem of cash in the business can be resolved during this day. And the students may face some obstacles in their studies during this day, and there may be some discord in the family. So be careful about these things. And your lucky number for the day is 1, and there is a remedy for you. Today, obviously keep some empty sugar bags on the roof of your house, shop or factory to avoid a fear of a fire in your mind. Then let's talk about Capricorn, that 10th sign of the zodiac. Today you can plan to buy a new vehicle, and it will be very good for you if you try to do this. And the people will be very impressed with you during this day, and you can spend a very good time on some social media and web series during this day. And obviously your life partner will take a special care of you during this day, and there will be some enthusiasm about some new scheme in your mind. And your lucky number for the day is 1, and there is a remedy for you. For the day, wear a silver ring on the left hand finger. Then let's talk about Aquarius, the 11th sign of the zodiac. Today your money may be wasted to do some bad things, and there is a possibility of losing some important items from your life. So be careful about these things from the beginning of the day. And you should be advised to avoid taking an aggressive stance in your life during this day. And money will be spent on the maintenance of a shop or a showroom, etc., and it will be very good for you. And obviously relax if you are feeling uncomfortable during this day. And obviously do not take any decision under the influence of others. Be careful about these things from the beginning of the day. And your lucky number for the day is 7, and there is a remedy for you. Today, throw some black lentils in some running water, river, or in any pond. Then I am about the 12th sign of the zodiac, or the last sign is the Pisces. In this day, you will take some interest in intellectual decision in your life, and you will obviously try to improve your standard of living during this day. And there is a possibility of expansion in your business, and some relations with siblings will be very good for you during this day. And if you want to start a new job during this day, then do not delay it. Make it as early as possible. And you can go to the market for shopping with your life partner, and it will be very good for you to improve your love relationships. And your lucky number for the day is 5, and there is a remedy for you. Today, intimacy with saints or fakirs will be very harmful for you. So obviously avoid them, or make a safe distance with them. Anyway, this was the judgment of Aries to Pisces from today's match, its question and remedial action. And I will not say anything more than this today. I would like to wish Ma Bagala Devi like every day. Let Emma keep everyone well and keep them healthy, and create a very good situation in their life so that they can keep everyone else well and keep them healthy also. Maybe I am here today. I will be back at the right time tomorrow, and I will tell you about the precautionary and remedial measures to judge Pisces from Aries in front of you. For that time, take care and goodbye.